Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this first aid kit, and KeepGoing was actually nice enough to send this over to us. Now this is going to be their super kit, first aid kit for families on the go, and let me tell you, this thing has pretty much everything that you're going to need in regards to taking care of like minor boo-boos on the road and stuff like that. Obviously, if you had kids, you know you're going to need a lot of band-aids. So it comes with all different types of band-aids in here, all different types of patterns on those. You got some dinosaur ones right there. I'm going to use those on my granddaughter for sure. She loves dinosaurs. You got some burn gel here up front. Go ahead and open this up and look at this, a whole bunch of other stuff. Some more in-depth things. CPR mask is in here. You're gonna have some gauze pads, some lip balm. You're gonna have some nosebleed plugs. Those are always really good. If you got kids, they're always getting nosebleeds. You got some little things in here to do minor quick fixes and stuff on maybe some clothing. You got a little pin in there. You got a couple buttons, little bit of extra thread in there as well. So this thing does it all. Let's go ahead and dig a little deeper in here. You're gonna get some eye pads. Move on up to this one. Looks like we've got a face mask. There we go. You got some of the bigger gauze pads. You got a face mask, an abdominal combine pad right there. All right, moving on over here. You got a gauze roll. You have an instant cold pack right there. Gonna have some triangular bandages. Those are great for slings. Emergency blanket, that's always good. See a couple of the things in here. Looks like we have these little thermometer things. Yep, and that's what these are, the little thermometer things. You just kind of lay them on your body, tells you the temp. Oh, look at there, you get some stickers. So if you wanna entice your kids to get boo-boo fixed, you can give them a sticker. All right, moving on over here to this other side, we got some hydrocortisone cream. Looks like we have some more just regular band-aids in here. Knuckle fabric band-aids. Let's see what these are. Finger, I mean, just all types of band-aids. Looks like we got some butterfly closures on there. We got some sting relief pain up here up top. Non-sting cleansing wipes. Alcohol prep pads, so all types of things in there. Some more of those wipes. Anything else buried inside there? Nope. Let's go ahead and put these back in. Got some bigger bandages in here. Let's make sure we covered everything inside this. All right, we got some triple antibiotic ointment on there. A whole bunch of other band-aids on here. Your kids are going to absolutely love these. Look at that. Tape roll here. Got a tick remover. Looks like some big shears in here. A small tongue depressor, splinter remover, whole bunch of safety pins, some tweezers, some fingernail clippers right there. And I believe this is our last compartment on here, so let's see what we have. A compressed towel. Okay, so these are, I've seen those before. You just add a little bit of water to them when they open up. Moleskin right there, Q-tips, and some gloves right there, some nitrile gloves right there. All right, and I think that's it. I think we covered everything in there, but geez, there is a whole bunch in here. And look at this. This is a really nice little case that it comes in too. Really fun little case. So yeah, if you're needing something for on the go, this thing, I've reviewed a few first aid kits, and this one, geez, has way more than any of the other ones I've seen. A whole bunch of nice little fundamentals in there. Some of the first aid kits I review are like more in depth for like really hardcore injuries, almost like EMT style. But this stuff right here, great for those small boo-boos, maybe like even intermediate injuries and stuff. So if you're looking for a nice first aid kit for your family, go ahead and check out this one right here. Again, this is from KeepGoing, and they did send this over to us.